Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the whereabouts of our Malam Buhari's man Friday, Abba Kyari, remains a mystery, even though a lot of the speculation is that this guy is in Lagos, even though some speculation actually feels that he is in London. Nevertheless, a lot of the public output is that he is in Lagos. Guys, I bring you this. I don't know where COS, so that's Chief of Staff, Abba Kyari is, but he seems well and happy. Lagos Health Commissioner, Professor Abayomi. So this is the headline that we're dealing with this particular video. In this particular video, I don't know where Chief of Staff Abba Kyari is, but he seems well and happy. Lagos Health Commissioner Professor Abayomi. So now let's get into it. Lagos State Commissioner for Health Akin Abayomi has given an update on the health status of President Buhari's Chief of Staff Abba Kyari, who tested positive for CV last week. Abayomi disclosed that he is unaware of Mr. Kyari's current location, but added that the Chief of Staff seems well and happy from their WhatsApp conversations. So now let's just pause there for a moment. He doesn't know where this guy is, but he's aware that he's well and happy, and this is from a WhatsApp conversation. So now what need would there be for the Commissioner for Health in Lagos State to be in a WhatsApp conversation with Abba Kyari if Abba Kyari was not within his jurisdiction and within his care? So obviously he knows where he is and is really giving an update, really in a coded sort of way. We carry on. The commissioner, who revealed this whilst fielding questions from journalists on Tuesday, March 31st, said, "I am not aware of the Chief of Staff itinerary, so I don't know where he is. We exchange messages on WhatsApp, but from WhatsApp, you can't tell where somebody is. We are exchanging information, but I haven't asked him for his location. He seems well and happy, and we are exchanging information on strategic issues, and it's been a long time we've talked about his health, so I presume he's made a full recovery." So now this is effectively the update. And bear in mind, by the way, this is a professor, a medical professor. So this is not some doctor. This is not just some guy with a first degree. This is not even somebody with a doctorate. This is a professor in medical sciences. So he wouldn't talk casually in this way, except of course he's putting coded words out there. And why again is he in a WhatsApp conversation with Abba Kyari, unless of course Abba Kyari is within his jurisdiction and under his care? Let's carry on. Recall that Chief of Staff to the President, Malam Abba Kyari, had confirmed that he tested positive for CV and would be moving to Lagos later on Sunday, March the 29th, for further tests and observation. He further disclosed that he has not experienced high fever or other symptoms associated with the virus. So effectively, Abba Kyari, from all indications, is in Lagos. This is effectively what they are saying. Never mind what this guy is saying that it doesn't. I mean, a professor of medicine is confirming that somebody is well and happy, and he's saying he doesn't know where the guy is. Of course he knows where the guy is. Conversations in the comment section. The whereabouts of Abba Kyari remains a mystery, but not really. What says you? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of what this professor has said in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.